Hello, sarap nito guys. Ayan, beetroot with carrots and apples. Hello everyone. Ayan. Kabili tayo ng ganito. Carrots na fresh. Ayan, very organic. Meron tayong 1 apples. Meron tayong beetroots. Ayan. We're gonna blend it kasi ito ay more vitamins. Ayan, I'm gonna cut it first. Ayan, nakat na natin. Ayan. Then, blender natin siya. Look at that guys. Ang ganda ng kulay. I love the colors. Kasing kulay yata ng t-shirt ko to ah. Wow guys. So good. Ayan. Sarap inumin. I love it. Ayan, this is so many vitamins, antioxidants, and cleansing to our body and blood. Also have a beta-carotene. Ayan, ang sarap. Kasi nilagyan ko siya ng apple na pampalasa at yung carrots ay very fresh and organic. I love it guys. Try nyo rin. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.